Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Loom for asynchronous updates that save meetings. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Loom, which is loom.com. Press the Enter key on your keyboard. Once the Loom homepage appears, look for the Login button located at the top right corner. Click on the Login button. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you can choose to log in using your Google account or your email and password. If you prefer logging in with Google, click on the Login with Google button. A new window will pop up requesting your Google account information. Enter your email and click Next. Then, enter your password and click Next again. If you prefer logging in with your email, enter your registered email address in the provided field. Then, enter your password in the next field. After entering your credentials, click the Login button. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to initiate a password reset. Once logged in, you will be taken to your Loom dashboard. From here, you can create new videos or access existing ones. For asynchronous updates, use the New Video button to record your message. After recording, Loom allows you to share the video link with your team for efficient updates. And that's how you log into Loom for seamless communication and to save meeting time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.